G'day, welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Prepper. So please like, share and subscribe, and please check out our second channel. We talk about things that matters to white South Africans a little bit more on the other channel. So for this video, yet again, there is a new regulation as from the 5th of April 2025, and yet again it is something that's been snuck in while everybody is on the hype train about America. So this is all to do with deeds or title deeds towards properties. So in the past, if you registered a property, you only had to submit your name and your surname and obviously the property's details. But these days, from the 5th of April, you need to include your race, your gender, your nationality, and if it is bought by a business, you need to fill in the question of who the beneficiaries are of the specific business and specifically where the business or the entity is situated at. So very interesting. Now, the question is, why does it actually matter? Now, the new regulation stipulates that you are not allowed to submit the title deed or register the title deed if gender and race is not included. So if you do not include those two things, then they will not process the title deed. So the article from the Daily Maverick says that this is all for internal data, and obviously it is all to do with who actually owns the land, they say in this article, and it states that all personal details will be used only internally within the title deed office. Now, this is quite alarming to me, because this is very much a tactic from the previous government, where the previous government did only allow a title deed to be registered if the race was known and where you are from. So exactly apartheid 2.0, it seems like the same people that were fighting apartheid and that blames everything on apartheid seems to be implementing more stringent policies than the previous government did. So I find this very, very interesting that suddenly your race needs to be included in the registrar when you register a title deed. So the question arises is, at what point and what stage will they actually deny a title deed to be registered if you are maybe a certain class of race? So let's put it bluntly. Let's say you want to register your property and they decide that you are too white. They can actually, according to the new regulation, I believe that is maybe their next step. So please have a look at this. Please like, share and subscribe, and God bless.